Hello, this is Solving Equations, Ratios and Proportions, Example 3. And here we have a story problem, and it talks about an elevator, and it goes 150 feet in 5 seconds. And we have to find how many seconds to go to the observation level, which is 1029 feet. So we're going to solve this by proportion. And there are several ways to set up the proportion, but whatever you do, the proportion has to make sense. And I can't exactly tell you what that means, because the proportion has to make sense to you. And I'll show you one proportion that comes to mind. It's 150 feet is to 5 seconds. 150 is to 5. And now, to set up the other ratio on the other side, I put the feet on top, the 1029. Because the feet is on top here, the feet is on top here, the seconds is on the bottom there for the 150, and here will be the seconds for the 1029. This one is almost the same thing. This time I put the seconds on the top and the 150, because the 5 seconds goes with the 150. And here I put the number of seconds with the 1029. And this makes sense. On the top I have seconds, on the bottom I have feet. This one goes with this one for the tower, the whole tower all the way to the observation level, and this goes with just with the 150 feet. Now, everybody sees the world differently. This is another correct proportion. I've got the feet that all the way to the top of the observation level, and the feet here, the 150, and then I've got the x here that goes with this, and the 5 here that goes with this, and this is a third proportion that's correct. Now, one thing I want you to notice about all three of these proportions, I'll always end up multiplying the 150 times the x. And I'll always end up multiplying the 5 times the 1029. So, and this isn't all. There's another possibility, but that's enough. Any way you solve this, any way you set up the proportion that makes logical sense will be correct. So to solve this, we'll get 150x equals whatever 5 times 1029 is, and that's 5145. And now x equals, and it'll be 5145 divided by 150, and that'll be 34.3.